Labas. Hello people. Hello people. Say hello people.
Hello people. My name is Martina. I'm from Canada.
Canada?
I have IB. Daiktų.
Hello people. Hello people. Hello people. Lithuania says hello people. Christina. Blonde woman. Blonde woman. Lithuania. Blonde woman.
Brunette woman. Rich woman. Woman. We travel per Vesadūnai
village.
Kvėpuok.
Yes, we are going home now.
Not my home. My home is
my home.
Tonight.
Давай, Христина.
Please film my home. Where is my home? It's Kansas.
There is my home. Forest.
It's my forest. I drinking in this forest don't remember what will be before I drink or after.
Oi! Gerai bus. Važiuojam. Vyra ar guli.
Čia tokia įdomi.
Gerai. Taigi va taip žiūrėk. Laiky.
My nose is red. I like my
let's
nose.
Let's go.
Travel.
Let's go.
Dabar tai dar dėsim.
Film. Kaip tu laikai, taigi laikyk. Taip.
Man patogiau taip pasakyti. Bet angliškai be akcento.
Kas? Yesterday. Я не знаю, что ты делаешь.
Моя любимая, привет. Я так люблю тебя tonight. Don't kiss me and smile for me.
I love you.
Baby, tonight I will be forever with you. Forever.
You are on my mind. You're on my heart. Na 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 na. Shake. Kokį tu?
Gal will dance.
Tu šikti. Duok kojų. Nein,
wanna be alone.
duok kojų.
Palauk, aš nusibrauksiu. Dušas nubėga.
Taigi kelkis. Kurmi. Kristigi važiuoja.
Ai, paliek, jeigu čiūvas. Žiūrėčiūvas guli. Kur to knatas čiūvai? Gražus čiuvakas. Pala, mano fotikas gyvas dar.
Išimą dapysime.
Gražiai. Pravalyk.
Kas? What is this?
Nosį.
Kas? What is today? What is today's date?
Today is Friday. Friday.
No, Friday. Monday.
Not Monday.
Monday?
Tuesday. A lot of 2,000 people wanna kill me. 2,000. It's amazing. Kaip skaičius. It's šiaip skaičius.
Number.
It's amazing number. 2,000 people wanna kill me. It's amazing.
Yes.
Don't look at me.
Why not?
Because Nami, don't look at me. You bad girl. Где Кристия?
Važiuojam. Kristė is off. Tai gana filmuot ar pauzę?
Aš bivis ar tu gana filmuot?
Esi, bye bye.
Bivi.
Bye bye.
Bibi.
Kristutė.
Rašy kaip tarėsi, Bibi.
Bye bye.
Oi, rašy kaip tarėsi, čia bet kas. Man skauda.